Hey, welcome back to Lee Writing on YouTube. I thought I'd make a quick video about how to write an outer space scene in a screenplay. A lot of people are confused about this. They're not sure whether to do day or night after you write outer space in the Slugline. As you can see in this display here, I have fade in, exterior, outer space, dash night. Do you think that's correct, or should it be day? Well, here's the thing. Outer space is not in planet Earth, you know. Every time you write day or night, it's supposed to be some scene inside planet Earth, or another planet, I suppose. But usually it's planet Earth, day or night, meaning is the sun out or is it dark? Now, if you're in outer space, well, there's technically no day and night, but in a way there is, because, you know, the sun is still going to shine in the scene. You know, the only way you can actually see the astronauts or whatever is if the sun is shining on them, right? So, in a sense, you could write day because you want the sun to be seen in outer space. But if you don't want the sun to be seen, then you could write night. But here's the thing. If the sun is not shining on the astronauts, then it's completely dark. You wouldn't see anything. All right? And that's not realistic, because in a movie you always see the astronauts. It's never completely dark. And it does get confusing, day and night in outer space, because it's not actually day or night the way it is day and night on the Earth. So the best thing to do, in my opinion, again, you know, other screenwriters might disagree with me, but what I would do is just not put anything after outer space. Just do that. That's it. Exterior, outer space. That's all you need. You know, obviously you're going to see whatever it is you're supposed to see, and then of course you can write the action here. A starship flies through an asteroid field, whatever. And then you can go on from there. You know, obviously you're going to want to see that, so you don't have to put day or night to show that there's light there. You're going to see it. Anyway, therefore, exterior, outer space, starship flies through an asteroid field. And then, of course, if you do an interior scene, well, there's no interior to outer space. It would be something in outer space that you're going inside of, like a ship or something, or possibly a moon, if there's like a little wormhole in the moon or something. But you wouldn't do this. You'd have to have something else here, like ship, like that. Yeah, because if you leave outer space, well, there's nothing you're going inside of, or maybe a black hole. Not really. You're still exterior. It would still be exterior. Yeah. Interior is only when you're going inside of a building or a structure or a ship. Any vehicle or anything that has walls or roof, it's interior. Black holes in outer space, no, it's exterior. Exterior dash outer space. So it would be something like that. Or if you just want the outer space, this would signify darkness with stars in the distant background. You know, the classic outer space look. And it would go on from there. Alright, so to sum up, you don't need day or night after outer space in the Slugline. All you need is exterior outer space. And then you can go to the action. Okay, that's my opinion on it. Some might disagree. If they do, I don't care. It's just kidding. Subscribe and see ya.